If you're a retiree looking to protect your wealth against inflation, you're likely wondering what investments are truly inflation proof. The truth is, many traditional investment options just don't hold up when inflation hits. In this video, I'm going to break down the top inflation proof investments that can help safeguard your hard earned savings. Inflation is a real concern for retirees, especially if you're relying on a fixed income. With prices rising year after year, your purchasing power is shrinking, and that can make it harder to enjoy the retirement you've worked so hard for. So, what can you do about it? Let's explore some strategies that could make a huge difference. The first one on the list is gold IRAs. Gold has long been seen as a hedge against inflation. While other assets may lose value when inflation rises, gold tends to hold its ground, or even increase in value. This makes gold IRAs a smart option for retirees who want to preserve their wealth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you should click the first link in the description and grab our free Gold IRA guide. It's a resource that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their savings right now. Another option is Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, or TIPS. These government bonds are designed specifically to protect against inflation. They offer a fixed interest rate, but the principal value of the bond increases with inflation. While TIPS can be a solid choice for those looking for a low-risk, inflation-protected investment, they often don't offer the kind of growth that gold IRAs can provide. Real estate is another great inflation-proof investment. As inflation rises, so do property values. This is especially true in markets with limited supply and high demand. Real estate can generate steady rental income, and property values tend to appreciate over time. However, real estate requires more capital upfront, and you need to deal with maintenance, taxes, and other responsibilities. Compared to gold IRAs, real estate can be more hands-on and less liquid, so it's not as ideal for everyone, especially retirees looking for ease of management. Then, there's dividend-paying stocks. These can provide a reliable income stream that can help offset the effects of inflation. Companies that pay dividends tend to be stable, large companies with a history of profitability. However, even dividend stocks are not immune to market downturns. While they may offer some protection, they're not the best option for retirees who are looking for security without risk. In this regard, gold IRAs again stand out as a more reliable inflation hedge. Lastly, you could look at commodities. Things like oil, agricultural products, and other raw materials often do well when inflation picks up. These investments can help diversify your portfolio and protect against rising costs. But commodities can be volatile, and they're not always as stable as gold in the long term. Now, with all these options on the table, one thing is clear. Gold IRAs remain the most consistent and effective way to combat inflation and safeguard your wealth. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their savings, click the first link in the description and get your free guide today. It's perfect for American retirees with $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings. As we wrap up, remember that inflation-proof investments are crucial to ensuring that your retirement income maintains its purchasing power. Whether you're considering gold IRAs, TIPS, real estate, or other options, gold IRAs should be your go-to for protecting and growing your wealth in these uncertain times. If you want to take the next step in securing your financial future, don't hesitate. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and start protecting your wealth today. And remember, if you're a retiree with at least $100K or more in savings, a gold IRA is the perfect solution to keep your wealth safe in the face of inflation.